Yo, what's going on everyone? Ignacio here. Hope you guys are having a good day today. Today I have a special guest, Rizu, and in this video, we're going to be showing you guys what we took to Asia for 3 weeks. These are the countries that we went to. So with that out of the way, let's get started.
Okay, so this is our airport outfits. It was cold in every country except the Philippines. So we brought sweatpants, t-shirts, and sweaters. And I also brought my rain jacket.
And I also brought my comfortable socks and a hat.
So for bottoms, I brought 2 pair of leggings.
And I brought a pair of jeans and mainly a couple of shorts.
And I also brought a pair of elephant pants and a dress. So for tops, I brought a long sleeve shirt.
And I brought 3 dry fit shirts.
I also brought a t-shirt and a tank top. And I also made sure to bring a dry fit shirt.
And I also brought 3 normal tees.
So this is what we pack our underclothes in, and we bring bras, underwear, and socks. So we also brought clothes to swim in. I brought 2 bathing suits.
And I just brought a pair of swimming trunks, and we also brought our quick drying towels.
So it was going to be cold most of this trip, so I did bring a scarf and gloves.
And I made sure to bring a beanie and my windbreaker.
So next is shoes, and these are the running shoes that I take on the plane.
And those are my comfortable shoes that I like to take.
And these are my chacos that I pack in my bag.
And I like to bring some shower sandals, but I also like to use them on the beach. As for toiletries, that's where I put my shampoo and my body wash.
And that's my shampoo bar and my conditioner bar. So this is my shampoo bar that I got from Lush, and this is the little tin that I bought to store it in. And this is what's left of my conditioner bar. I just put it in this little bag. And that bar soap is the one we use to wash our bodies. That's my hair cream, sunblock, face cream, a tiny lotion, face wash, floss. That's
my deodorant, my hairspray, my body spray that I use, and some eye drops, and nail clippers, and my trimmer.
And that's a little tube of toothpaste and our toothbrushes. And that's the body scrub we use. And we also pack Tide Pods to wash clothes every week. So these are the bags that we put our toiletries in. So next is my medicine bag. And inside I have a first aid kit. And these are some of the things that I keep inside. So I also pack a little thing of tissue, and that's my sewing kit, and these are vitamin C packets that we share, and that's my Vicks nasal spray, Neosporin, and those are little packets of Pedialyte. So I also bring cortisone, Vicks vapor rub, and packets of antacids, and that's if I get cold sores. So that's my medicine that I bring, and some allergy pills.
And I also like to bring some ibuprofen for pain and swelling.
And that's a little packet of Vicks cough drops. So that's the medicine I take, and that's the one he takes. Next is electronics, and I take my cell phone.
I take my cell phone.
And I also bring a power bank.
And that's my power bank.
And my charger.
And that's where I store all my cables. And I like to bring a pair of Bluetooth headphones, and that's my black rapid strap for my camera, and that's a universal wall adapter. Of course, you gotta bring a GoPro with you, and that's where I charge the batteries for the GoPro, and that's the case that I use to store my camera in when I travel, and I always make sure to bring my variable ND filter. Also, that's my GorillaPod, that's my microphone of choice, and I also make sure to bring a spare battery for my camera.
So next is some of our personal items. I brought makeup and a tweezer and a nail clip. I also brought some water earplugs since we're gonna be swimming a lot, and that's my lock and my water bottle. I also packed some chopsticks for this trip. I felt like they came in handy if we didn't have any utensils, and that's my passport. I also pack a reusable bag, and I put all our important documents in a sheet protector, and last is my purse.
So this is my passport holder, and it comes in handy because I carry, of course, my passport. I also put money in it, and I also carry a pen with me at all times. That's my chapstick that I like to carry. I also carry a lens cloth with me and Germex, and my sunglasses, of course.
So here we are packing our bags. I think the only problem we had was packing for such different temperatures, since it was really hot in the Philippines and it was really cold in the other countries. But I think we did a good job for the clothes we took.
Alright, so that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully this video could help you out with your future travel plans. If you did enjoy, don't forget to leave this video a like. It would really help us out with the YouTube algorithm. Also, make sure to subscribe for more future travel videos. Also, make sure to check me out on Instagram at Nacho Travel. And with that out of the way, hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and we'll catch you guys later. Peace.